Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a package here, and today we're going to unbox my most recent Stargem Cosmetics order. Okay, so there's a handful of things in here. So we got, I believe this is a magnet. Business card. Oh, yes. Some stickers. Ooh, this is one of the setting powders. This is Moonstone. And this is Amethyst, which is a brightening powder. I also included some of the holographic container labels. I like that, that's cool. And this is the Neon Pigment Collection. This is Pomona, which I definitely have one of those already. I'm really excited. This one's called Electra. Why did my lighting suddenly change? There we go. Which is neon yellow. This is Aphrodite, which I believe is the same as Dionysus, but I'd have to double check. This one is Artemis, which is a white pigment powder. Oh, and this one's Dionysus. So Aphrodite and Dionysus are two totally different colors. That is really nice. Really excited for those. And then the next thing we have in here is two things, really. So this is the crystalline brushes. This is the face set. I already have the eye set with the purple handles, but this time I wanted to go with the blue handled brushes. And finally, a limited edition Calavera makeup bag, which I'm very excited for. You can never have too many of these bags. It's nice, it's sturdy, feels a little bit waterproof. If I wanted to, I could put like a ring on this and then like a wristband. Opens very easily. Standard kind of makeup bag. Also not pictured because I couldn't wait to film the unboxing before I check this out. Is this pendant. They Stargem Cosmetics has a bunch of accessories as well, and they have astrology pendants. This is my sign, and I'm really excited because it's a beautiful piece. It has yet to turn my skin green, which means I'm not allergic to it. So that is this particular haul. if you guys did enjoy this as much as I enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I have a couple more hauls coming, but those will probably be the last ones for the year, unless you guys want to see a Christmas gift haul, which would be the gifts I'm giving and then the ones that I've received, which I think that would be fun. Maybe not for you guys, but it would be fun for me because I enjoy that kind of thing. So stay happy, stay healthy, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.